Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipma News. Here I am reading only newspaper article. This is our today article. Why are sugar boards necessary in schools? Image from Getty Image. How do sugar boards teach children about the health risks associated with high sugar consumption? Has the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights stepped in? Is type 2 diabetes prevalent in children in India? Has the Food Standard and Safety Authority of India formulated a high fat, salt, and sodium definition? Maitri Project explain the story so far. In order to check the sugar intake of school-going children, the Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has instructed over 24,000 affiliated schools across India to establish sugar board for information a display for educating students about the risk of excessive sugar intake. What are sugar boards? 2 years ago, food influencer Devendra Himmat Singh का Himmat Himmat Singh का appeal to school through a video to start a sugar board campaign which involved a visual representation of the quantity of the sugar contained in a bottle of aerated drinks or packaging fruits. Those children need to learn in fun and interesting way to perils of consuming excess sugar. So I do it yourself DIY workshop with school children. We ask the student to stick, say for instance, bottle of aerated drink or packaging juice on a paper whiteboard, and adjacent to that stick the quantity of sugar in a packet and the number of teaspoons of sugar that go into the product. Mr. Himmat Singh told the Hindu. For example, a 300 ml bottle of a popular aerated drink contains 8 teaspoons of sugar, with 1 teaspoon of sugar being nearly 4 grams. Similarly, a popular brand of a 125 ml packaged mango drink contain 5 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar board provide essential information including recommended sugar intake. The sugar content is commonly consumed food such as junk food and cold drink, health risk associated with high sugar consumption, and healthier dietary alternative. The CBSE has stated that the school may submit a brief report and photo of the activity of on sugar boards till July 15. Mr. Himmat Sinka said that while many schools have already included sugar board in their activity, CBSE directive will create awareness in nearly 2 crore students and their family. Why are sugar board necessary? The National Commission of Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) has pushed for the introduction of a sugar board in all schools, not only in those which are CBSE affiliated but also in schools which are affiliated to various state boards. In a letter written to CBSE by NCPCR in March earlier this year, the child right body in face over the past decade, there has been a significant increase in type 2 diabetes among children, a condition primarily seen in adults. The alarming trend is attributed to high sugar intake, easily availability of sugary snacks, beverages, and processed food within school environment. The latter state, while population-based data on type 2 diabetes among children and adolescents are unavailable from India, it is estimated that the incidence of type 2 diabetes in the group is 397 per lakh population, next only to China, which has 734 estimated cases per lakh. Speaking the Hindu, Dr. Divya Gupta, gynecologist and a member of NCPCR, said studies indicate that sugar constitutes 30% of daily calorie intake for children aged 4 to 10 years and 15% of those aged 11 to 18 years, substantially exceeding the recommended limit of 5%. What is Indian regulatory standard? Official resources said that the Food Standard and Safety Authority of India (FSSAI) had convened a scientific panel for experts in April and May earlier this year to decide on a high fat, salt, and sugar (HFSS) definition pertaining only to school meals. However, the FSSAI has still not set HFSS standard or finalized the health star rating system in forefront of pack labeling regulation. In the meeting, we could not arrive at definition of HFSS for what compromises a school meal discussion are underway, and it was decided that the HFSS definition for what comprises school meals cannot be different from that of packaged food. So a holistic HFS definition should be formulated and officials at currently FSSAI has regulation of bread making food claim. For instance, a low sugar claim can only be made if a product contain not more than 5 gram sugar per 100 gram. While there are regulations in place for making claims or packaging food, FSSAI has no fixed cut off for high fat, salt, sugar consumption for the Indian population. The official said Indian currently relies on World Health Organization WHO cutoff for ideal HFSS intake. For instance, WHO guidance restrict daily sugar intake in adults and children to 5 to 25 grams 6 teaspoon. However, experts argue that the Indian cutoff should be lower and should be derived from indigenous data, as the genetic makeup of Indians make them more prone to heart attack. We need epidemiological data through a countrywide study which monitor dietary intake along with variable like data on body mass index, insulin resistance, IPID, insulin resistant lipid profile, biochemical parameter, and so on, said an expert closely working with FSAI on the issue. What next? Dr. Gupta said that the children's rights body is working on gradually introducing the tips for food high in salt and trans fat as well. NCPCR is also gathering data on children suffering from diabetes from government hospital. We will be taking to parents during parents teacher meeting about the importance of healthy eating. We have had stakeholder meeting with pediatrics doctor who will be roped in to go to schools for workshops and so on. Introducing sugar bowl is just the beginning, Dr. Gupta said. The NCPCR had pushed for the introduction of a sugar bowl in all schools, not only in those which are CBSE affiliated but also in schools which are affiliated to various state boards. Sugar boards provide essential information including recommended sugar intake, the sugar content is commonly consumed food allergies associated with high sugar consumption and healthier dietary alternative. WHO guidelines restrict daily sugar intake in adults and children to 25 grams 6 teaspoons. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. We meet in next video or tomorrow. Jai Hind.